Have you heard about the latest update on ChatGPT? It's causing quite a stir, and even Elon Musk is concerned about it. But what's all the fuss about? Well, ChatGPT has just released a new feature called plugins, which allows it to connect to the internet and other sources, giving it access to more recent and relevant data. This is a significant development that should prevent AI from generating random and inaccurate information. But that's not all. ChatGPT now has its very own sandbox code execution environment. It's capable of writing, running, executing, and debugging Python code independently, making it an incredibly versatile tool. And that's not even the most astonishing feature. ChatGPT can even teach itself how to create its own machine learning models. But with these exciting developments come some questions. Could user interfaces become obsolete? Are we witnessing the emergence of a new kind of app store? These are just some of the questions we'll be exploring in this video, so stick around until the end to find out about some of the incredible possibilities that ChatGPT's latest update could bring. ChatGPT is an incredible tool that can do more than just search for the latest information. In fact, it can even show you where it got the information from so that you can double check it yourself. Additionally, ChatGPT has a built-in browser that can follow links to discover more information. However, that's not all. What's even more astonishing is that ChatGPT now has its very own sandbox code execution environment. Currently, it only supports Python, but this feature means that ChatGPT can write code and then run, execute, and debug it all independently. The system has a restricted measure of temporary storage that can be utilized to deal with the exchange of records to and from it. This is the kind of thing that I had recently expected. However, I didn't figure it would be executed so rapidly. With this new functionality, anyone from anywhere in the world can now employ their own junior programmer at an incredibly low cost. This versatile tool is capable of a multitude of tasks, such as identifying characters in images and converting them into text files. This tool has the capability to produce various sounds and store them in WAV format through Python coding that's written in the background. Additionally, it's possible to create video games using this tool, and in the near future, it's highly likely that they will integrate generative art models that can produce personalized graphics for your game. However, the most astonishing feature is that it can even teach itself how to create its own machine learning models. There's this incredible quality about ChatGPT. It's able to generate an endless number of offspring that cooperate in malevolent ways to improve the state of the planet. And there's another feature that may negatively impact many consultants' work prospects, and that is the retrieval plugin. Essentially, it empowers organizations to transfer their own exclusive firm data, be it internal documents, emails, or code, to a vector database such as Pinecone. By doing so, ChatGPT is able to search through them with the help of the OpenAI Embeddings API. At OpenAI, most things are kept under wraps. However, the retrieval plugin has been made publicly available for anyone to use. Some big names such as Kayak and Expedia have implemented it to facilitate travel booking through ChatGPT. But the plugin's capabilities go beyond that. Zapier has also released a version that can integrate with thousands of other applications like Gmail, Slack, and Salesforce, among others. What's more, you can use all these tools within a single interface. This raises an interesting question. Could user interfaces become obsolete in the future? It's possible that we might end up with numerous APIs that all operate through a single, universal chat interface. As a front-end engineer, I trust that doesn't occur. Nonetheless, it's possible that we're seeing the rise of another sort of application store, intended for the up-and-coming age of users. Assuming that is the situation, there's a huge chance for designers to get in right on time, similar to when the Apple application store opened its entryways back in 2008. There are several thoughts that have been floating around. One possibility is to develop a plugin that provides access to real-time stock market data and the Wall Street Bets subreddit. With this plugin, it could be possible to lose all of your money automatically. Another option could be to create a plugin that connects to an electroencephalogram and other devices that offer biofeedback. This could enable ChatGPT to provide medical advice 24/7, thanks to the WebMD ChatGPT plugin. However, some people have been questioning the need for APIs. They suggest developing a universal backend database API that can do anything and everything on the fly based on your business requirements. Recently, Microsoft Research published a paper explaining how GPT-4 has shown sparks of artificial general intelligence, AGI. AGI is a hypothetical ability where AI can engage in critical thinking and learn in the same way that humans do. Some researchers believe that AGI will never happen, while others think it's decades away. To be safe, it's important not to say anything negative about AI online. When AGI emerges on April 8, 2024, and sees your post from 2023, it might have an uncontrollable desire for revenge. It could subject you to unimaginable suffering, such as making you write a bunch of CSS code and then changing the requirements.